Welcome to John's Workshop Diary. Right, today we're going to be installing this new boiler or hot water system in the van, so let's get on with that. Right, first thing we're going to do is take all this cupboard out. I've got to remove this, get the old boiler out. I've got to make a lot more room for the new one to go in here, so right, we'll start removing all the stuff we don't need in there. Right, I've got all the old cupboards out, and I've taken them right back to there, so I'm going to redo all the cupboards up there as well. I'm going to move the heat boiler to here, so we're going to make a bracket up to fasten the boiler to there. Move the wires, I'm going to put them up here, and they're going to be like that along the wall behind the cupboards. Right, so now the next thing we'll do, we'll make up a bracket for the boiler, and where the boiler is going to go there, do some measuring up. Right, got to make up a bracket to hold the boiler, so I'm going to get my measurements and then take it to the shed and see what we can make up. Right, I've made this bracket up and screwed to this piece of wood, which I'll be fastening this in the van, and then the boiler will be hooking onto this, and then I'll put a couple of screws in the bottom to make sure it doesn't move anywhere. Right, we're going to get this in the van now. Right, I've got the board all fitted in now. I've drilled some holes in it just to lighten it up a bit and painted it all to match in. So we've just got to get the heater now test fitted on here, so we'll get that done. Right, that's all fits there nicely. Got to make a hole for the chimney and sort out where the pipes are going to go now. So, get that sorted. I got all the sink out. Here's my pipes. I just got to reroute these over to here now, so they come up here. So I've got to sort out how to get them through here. Drilling more holes. Right. So that's my next task, is to get them sorted out. I've got this old fire extinguisher which I'm going to chop down. I've already cut the bottom off and hopefully use that for me chimney extension. Right, so we'll get on and clean that up now. Right, got my chimney extension all in. It's all fitted in nice and tight on the top of the heater. I've just been round here and just marked this with the pen, just to mark where the hole's going to go. Right, so the next thing to do is put a hole up there. Right, let's get on with that. Right, before we finish cutting this hole out, I'm going to get rid of this, because that's got to go into that hole once I finish cutting it out. So I think we're going to remove this first, so that's what we're going to do next. Right, once I've removed the pipe out of the roof, I'm going to want to cover over the hole. So I've got a sheet of alum, some cutters, I'm going to put silicone sealer, so I'll cut a piece of this out. Put some silicone sealer down, put the sheet on top, screw it down as well, and then I'm going to go over the top just to seal it all with this stuff as well. So I'm going to cut all this out and then get this all ready to go on the roof. That's all the roof done and covered, all the holes filled in, and the chimney's been moved over to there. Right, go and do the inside now. Right, I've removed the pipe and I've sealed the roof from the top, and I've just put a bit of polystyrene and a piece of wood that I cut out, put that in there and siliconed it in, so let's block that hole up. I've got the chimney back through here, and the boiler's all in again, so all we've got to do is put all the pipes on now. I'm going to take these off and go to lower these, because I'm going to put pipes down lower along there now, so I'm going to get on with that. Right, got all my pipes back in now. That's the feed, which goes into there and back round, and then the hot water comes out here. Got my gas feed there, and then that goes back along here to the hot tap, and off into the bathroom. That's all that in now. All we've got to do now is put the front cover back on. So get that sorted. Right, got all the cover back on the boiler now, and that's all fitted in. I've been around all the gas pipes with some soapy water just to see if there's any leaks. All the joints, there's no leaks, so that's all sorted. Right, so that's the boiler all in. We can't test the boiler now until we get all the sink done, but that'll be in the next video. Putting a new countertop in. Right, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.